Hey guys, welcome back to Stitch Sundays. It's your girl Stitch by Sophie. I'm super excited to be here. I hope you guys are excited to be here. And listen, as always, I'm amped about today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. As you can see, I'm rocking a curly fro. Funny thing is, it looks like a wig, but it's not. It's actually my hair. And what I decided to do was just really take my time and define my curls. And I ended up with this hairstyle here. I feel like it's perfect to go to work, perfect for a barbecue, perfect for a date. Like, we really just have to embrace our natural hair and just have fun with it. So today I decided to take the time and do this wash and go. Now this process is pretty long only because you really have to section your hair, detangle, use the product, finger coil, do what you need to do, but honestly in the end it's worth it. A wash and go typically lasts me up to a week. Towards the ends of the week, I'm usually like bunching it up into a bun of some sort. But like day one, as today, like I'm outside. Like, y'all see this? Like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, I don't think this camera is doing me some justice. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, definitely stay tuned. watching, and I'll see you guys next week.